If you're looking to promote your business or brand on Pinterest, setting up a business account is a great way to get started. Here's a simple guide on how to convert your profile to a business account on Pinterest. Let's start. Open the Pinterest app on your phone. Then, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. In the account settings, find and open Account Management. After that, tap on Convert to a business account. Here we begin creating your business account. Tap the Convert Account button. In the field, enter your profile name and continue by clicking the Next button. The next step is to add your website if you have one. If you don't have a website, tap No Website Yet. To make it easier for people to recognize and find you, select the category your profile belongs to. If none of the provided options fit, select Other and click the Next button. Pinterest will ask if you're interested in advertising. Choose the option that corresponds to your answer. Then continue by tapping Next. And that's it. You now have a Pinterest business account ready to help promote your brand. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to follow for more tips and tricks.